Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2016 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic Limited. This cruiser has just under 3,300 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, and then we'll fire it up. This bike is pretty much stock for the most part. Tires appear to still be in really good shape. It has LED highway lights as well as a daymaker headlight. Comes with footboards for both the driver and the passenger, as well as the tour pack, which has had a luggage rack added to it. Service will make sure that the tires meet our criteria though. Again, footboards for both the passenger and the driver, as well as a heel toe shifter. This bike also has heated grips. Can't seem to get that, there we go. Doesn't want to focus. Very, very clean touring bike. Show you those miles now. 3232 is what's on it. This 2016 Electra Glide Ultra Classic Limited will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this cruiser from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories for it. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.